Okay, I want you to go factor y equals 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 14x minus 40, given that negative 4 is a 0. You know that negative 4 is a 0. So I'm going to go over here and put negative 4 in. 2, 7, negative 14, negative 40. What should my remainder be? I hope it's 0. Drop it down. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 4 is 4. Negative 10 times negative 4 is 40. Yay! My remainder is 0. I know that that corresponds to that factor, correct? Okay, what's left here? That's going to be 2x squared minus x minus 10. Does this factor? Yes. What does it factor to? You agree? So if I wanted to completely factor that polynomial into linear factors, it's x plus 4 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 2. Huh. So, if I'm given a polynomial and I need to go find all the x-intercepts, could synthetic division be used to whittle it down? Oh, okay. Keep that in mind. Okay, if I wanted to solve, setting this polynomial equal to 0 right here, you just factored it, right? So you just told me that this was x plus 4 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 2. Set each one of them equal to 0 and solve for x. So if x plus 4 equals 0, I get x equals negative 4. If 2x minus 5 equals 0, I get x equals 5 halves. And if x plus 2 equals 0, I get x equals negative 2. Questions? That polynomial has how many x-intercepts? 3. What's the end behavior look like? It's odd degree, positive coefficient, so it's going to go down up. So if I have, what x-intercepts? Negative 4 here, 5 halves here, and negative 2, and it goes down, up. There's a quick sketch of that polynomial. What's the y-intercept down here? Negative 40? Cool. All right, next concept. Write a polynomial of degree 3. So you ultimately want an x cubed. And you know the zeros are 1/3, root 3, and negative root 3. So if these are zeros, could you tell me your factors? This 0 corresponds to 3x equals 1, so 3x minus 1 equals 0. That 0 corresponds to that factor. This 0, x minus root 3 equals 0. That 0 corresponds to that factor. And last but not least, x equals negative root 3, so x plus root 3. This 0 corresponds to that factor. So could you tell me 3 factors of that polynomial? The polynomial is 3x minus 1 times x minus root 3 times x plus root 3. Questions there? If I knew that root 3 was a 0, then x minus root 3 is a factor. If I knew that negative root 3 was a 0, then x minus negative root 3 is a factor. Okay, go FOIL this and multiply it all out. What do you get here? X squared plus root 3x minus root 3 times x. Those are going to go away, yes? And then minus 3, perfect. And then I still have times 3x minus 1. What do I need to do again? FOIL. What do you get? 3x cubed minus 9x minus x squared plus 3. I would probably prefer to write it 3x squared minus, 3x cubed minus x squared minus 9x plus 3. That is a polynomial of degree 3 that has those 3 given roots.